This is TracksBuilder, the fastest way to build multi-tracks playback sessions in Ableton Live for worship teams and live audio. TracksBuilder will bring your multi-tracks prep from over 30 minutes down to under 30 seconds. TracksBuilder builds in session view and arrangement view and can build using custom settings from within the TracksBuilder app or from whatever template you prefer to use to run multi-tracks. So I'll show you how it works in session view, building from custom settings from scratch, and in arrangement view using a template that I like to use. So to get started, you can enter in your set list like so. You just enter in your song title right here, artist name if you would like, the BPM, time signature, and key. Otherwise, you can import from Planning Center. So TracksBuilder has imported the set list from Planning Center and matched the tracks to your multi-tracks folder on your computer. Now you hit build, it opens up the build panel, and these are the custom settings we'll be using in session view from scratch. So we'll be creating parent groups. This is just the stem mapping. You can map stems however you want. You can use an auto-generated click. I will show you what that is like. And then you can have bus tracks created for routing. Then all you do is press build, and it'll be built in a matter of seconds. TracksBuilder works in Ableton Live 11 and Ableton Live 12. You do need standard or higher, and it works on Mac OS 13 or higher. So now our session is built. Let's hear it really quick.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Verse 1.
You can hear the auto-generated click. This is great because it's a MIDI loop that syncs to your scene's tempo, and it'll keep playing even after your tracks are done playing. Everything is transposed into the correct key, and it's routed through these routing tracks right here.
1, 2.
This feature makes it way easier to change routings on the fly. You can also set up your routings in TracksBuilder if you know for sure what they're going to be. Now let's take a look at building in arrangement view using a template. Building from a template, TracksBuilder will analyze your template and try to match patterns within it. And then if there are any gaps in what it analyzed, the settings over here will be what it defaults back to, just to make sure that the session is actually built in full. So the one feature that is unique to arrangement view is section locators. If you choose to have section locators on, generation might take about 30 seconds to a minute depending on how big your set list is, because TracksBuilder is analyzing the cues so it can map out the cues for each song. And now we will hit build. And this generated very quickly because TracksBuilder can remember the cue mappings for songs that you've done in the past. So this time around, TracksBuilder remembered where all the cues are in every song, and it was able to put it together pretty fast. And yeah, let's take a look here. It's been built according to this template. All the songs are in. And all the cues are in as well.
Verse 2.
So TracksBuilder puts in not only the section locators, but also MIDI clip spans for each section so that you can quickly select a section like that. And everything is routed correctly. All the tracks are in, and this template is ready to go. So you can try TracksBuilder 14 days free by heading to tracksbuilder.com/start. You will download the app for Mac OS, and when you create an account or sign in, then it will start that 14-day free trial for you. If you have any features you would like to request for TracksBuilder, you can come over here to tracksbuilder.com/support. You can access this page from the app, and you can tell me your name, your email, and then whatever feature requests you have or whatever support issue you need help with. TracksBuilder is still a pretty new app, so I love to hear feedback from users and figure out what to improve on and what to include in next updates. I hope this video was useful for you, and I hope that you try out TracksBuilder version 1 and see how it can massively improve your prep time for multi-tracks.